Well, there's Mama Samantha and baby boy Ben with little Jack. Yeah, they'll be your friend. Come on, let's all have some fun. It's time for little Jack, 8421.
Here's the sky. Look. It's gonna storm. It was a lot more defined like 30 seconds ago. I'm watching him very closely. He's got a sucker. Hey, it doesn't go on your nose, it goes in your mouth. You have a mess going on. Oh. Calm down, Ben. I'm watching the movie. It's called What Lies Beneath. Miley says we've seen it a couple times. I don't remember. But anyways, it's got Harrison Ford in it and some other lady. I'm pretty much past the scary parts of the movie. I'm towards the end now. Just watching, make sure to watch Ben eat a sucker and finishing this movie. So that's what's going on now, guys. Do it again. Do it. Well, you was doing it a minute ago. Do it again. Hey, get down there.